Go. Oh my goodness. Why does Twitch hate me tonight? What did I do? I didn't do anything. Twitch-san. Oni-san. Oni-san. I didn't do anything. Why? Why you gotta be like that? Thank you, Zora. Thank you. That's very, very nice. It's very, very kind of you. Very, very kind. Yeah, Papa Twitch. Stop. Period? Huh? Period. Ooh. There we go. Rulebook. Subsection 12 of Rule 13b. Cult is liable to suffer unexpected interruptions. The rulebook's not wrong, okay? It is not wrong. No, Twitch is trolling. Twitch be trolling, yo. They trolling good. Pretty good. The leader of the cult of chaos. You are? Hold on, I gotta check you out, Thors. Are you the leader of the cult of chaos? I don't know if I buy it. Also, hi viewers. For those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Very. I am a fallen Tenko Kitsune because I was silly and the love of my life got murdered and I resurrected them using magic, which apparently is a big no-no to the rest of the gods. So they cut off 9 of my 10 tails and they threw me down to earth, and I was like, you know what? F you guys, I'm starting a cult. So yeah, now we have a cult, and I'm gonna get back up there eventually to either regain my divinity or to burn down everything. So, you know, come along for the ride. We'll have so much fun together, guys. Nah. Won't we? Huh? Yeah. Aw, okay, Jedi. Go get good sleepies. Don't stay up too late, okay? Yeah. Especially if you have work. Go to bed. Put me on in the background or leave and just go to sleep. I just want you guys to stay hydrated and have full bellies and get lots of good sleep. I need you guys to take care of yourselves, okay? In fact, I demand it. I insist. You must take good care of yourself, okay? Okay. Nah. Thank you for the follow, Thors. See, I'm not scary. I'm not scary. Not really. Not really. Thank you for the follow, Adrian. Arigato. Domo arigato, Mr. Roboto. Ba. It is one of those nights tonight, you guys. It is definitely one of those nights. Why are you so scared? Stop being so scared of me. I'm mostly a nice Foxxo, okay? No, I haven't, Adrian. I have not. But in my amazing Discord server, there is a channel to suggest games, and go put games in there. I need more games to play. Also, have that shameless plug. Thug life. Yo, let's go. Hi. Oh yeah. And here's a helpful command. Yeah. Hey, you guys see what I did there? Huh? See? See what I did there? Look at me. Look at me. I did it. I did it. Oh, yes. Yeah, an absolute master. Totally. I can't lie to myself anymore, guys. I have a confession to make. I have a confession to make. I love you. I love you guys so much. I do. Man, okay, in all seriousness, you guys, I was in like a really down mood earlier. After I'd gotten off my stream from earlier today, and kind of like spur of the moment, I had a thought. I was like, well, you know, maybe I'll go back online and maybe, you know, talking to you guys and hanging out will cheer me up a little bit. And lo and behold, you guys have made me so happy tonight. I was worried that I would go to bed sad. And I hate going to bed sad. That's like the worst thing ever. But now I'm gonna go to bed so happy. I'm making a whole bunch of new friends. I'm having good conversation. Oh, welcome back, Naruto. What power, rabbit? Oh no! Free? No, I'm in a better mood. And yeah, right, Kitty? Oh, Kitty, you might be right. You might be right. I know. Down. Oh no! Not the cookies. Not the chocolate. Help! Nom. Wait, Naruto, it looks fine on my end. On my end, it's okay. For now. For now. Yay, ads! Yeah, thank you, Zora. Thank you. You helped a lot. You helped cheer me up quite a bit. Uh-oh, the magic hat's gone. Oh no. Why, gamer? Why, gamer? Why you gotta spam it? Why you gotta spam it, though? Oh, thanks, Sora. Yeah, Geico. Yeah, help me save 15% on car insurance. Or life insurance. Or how about very insurance? Yeah. Wait, you wear a robe? Excuse me, sir. Does mother knoweth you weareth her drapes? Oh, that was one of the best lines ever. Plus 100 faith if anybody can tell me where that line is from. Without Google. No Google allowed. No Googling allowed. Although I will never be able to tell, of course. Yeah, good job, Free. Bum, ba, bum. Bum, bum. Here you go, Free. Add points, freelancer, 22, 100. There you go. Yay! Now you guys can get cool shit like video games and money off of merch and signed very postcards. Let's go. Oh god. Oh my goodness. Rabbit, leave. Hey, don't touch it. Don't touch it. I need that. I need it. I really need it, okay? Okay? I gotta have it. I must have that. I need it for life. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. Don't stop poking it. Stop. No. Oh, I hear Chewy. I hear Chewy. I hear him running around. Oh, there he is. Hi, Chewy. Hello. Chewy. Aw, he's rubbing up on the microphone. Chewy. Hello. For those of you guys that don't know, Chewy is my amazing foster kitten, and he is a menace. Aww, oh my god, he just licked my nose. He's usually a menace. He comes in when I'm streaming and uses my leg as a climbing post, and walks on my keyboard, and all of those amazing fun things. You know how it goes. Alright. What kind of games do I play? I play lots of games. I play, Overwatch. I play a lot of RPGs and, like, action-adventure games. Those are my personal favorites. However, I will play, team games, like Overwatch, and all of that. Okay. Yeah? Hey, Chewy? What up, little man? What up, what up? Go, my little kitty minion. my kitty will fight your kitty. Aw, you heard him, Zora? Ah. I love him. Oh my god, it's gonna be so weird without him, though. Seriously, guys, he's going up for adoption in January. My heart. Yeah? My heart. You are climbing my shoulder. Hey, no. Hi. Chewy. Chewy. Hey, no. Yeah? Hey, no. Come on. Chewy. Come on. No, that's Booker. Come on, choose. Oh my goodness. I want to see pictures of everybody's pets. I demand them. I demand it. Must have them. Oh goodness. I'll fight you. I'll fight you, kitty. And any day, yo. Any day. Any day. Careful, Chewy. Don't fall. He's trying to jump over to the window. Here, you want to go over there? If you don't climb the screen again, you little crackhead. Yeah, you're a little crackhead. Yes, you are. All right, there we go. I apologize for the interruption. How are you all doing tonight? What time is it where everybody lives? Nah. I want to know why some of you aren't sleeping or if you slept well. Oh my gosh, that reminds me. Do you guys dream in color? This may sound really, really weird, but I have just learned that not everybody dreams in color, which I had no idea. I was under the impression that literally everybody dreamed in color. So I got schooled today. That was interesting. Oh my gosh, Fluffy! Yes, that's okay. Literally all of my dreams are like epic fantasy adventures or like sci-fi space operas or something. They're pretty amazing. Yeah, right, Kitty? Me too. Although, Kitty, you and I shared a lot of the same upbringing in the way that we taught ourselves to dream as kids. Yes, Fluffy. Kitty sleeps with the NVIDIA RTX on. Most definitely. Yeah, Adrian! Oh my gosh. Me too. I have dreams about killing zombies, about saving like a galaxy. One time I was like a hero, but also a pirate. And then another time, I was literally taking over the world. I was a terrible, terrible person in one of my dreams. But then in other dreams, I'm a hero. I'm like a legit like fantasy book hero. I'm talking like, Harry Potter, Lord of the Rings, Hobbit type hero. Like high fantasy hero. Did I smoke a cell phone? No, no, Rabbit. I smoked a vape. Look at this. Daddy. 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 Hi. Oh, hiya. Did you sleep well? Nah. Did you? Hmm. You suppose? Oh, yay, clock out time. Wait, are you at work, kitty? Are you working right, meow? Am I saying meow? I swear to God, if you say meow one more time, am I saying meow? Oh, true. What are you drawing? Nah. I wanna know. Oh my gosh, Daddy. Why? Dude, I do not have the self-discipline to go to the gym that early. Dude, I don't even have the self-discipline to use my gym at home. I just do, I get my cardio from playing, get off my head. I get my cardio from playing Beat Saber, and then I just go on like power walks for my exercise. Ooh, very nice, kitty. How long does it usually take you to finish a commission like that? What is D1? Huh? What's that? What is that? Oh, I'm assuming Division 1 is like the best division. Aw, Adrian! Yo! Hey, Adrian, hook me up with that friend's number. I want a sugar friend? Sugar friend? Sugar friend. Yeah, that. I want one. Me too. Wait, Rabbit, a Nokia that's not broke a blender? Huh? What do you mean, Rabbit? And hell yeah, sleep is definitely overrated, Thors. Sugar. Aww. Zora, get out of here. Get. Go in the corner, Zora. Go in the corner with them dad puns. I'm just kidding. No corners for you. No! Zora, no! No corner for Zora. Not today. Oh my gosh, in all seriousness, I love dad jokes. I am obsessed with dad jokes. They are hilarious. Especially when it's like the perfect time to drop a pun. Oh, mwah, chef's kiss. They're amazing. Dad jokes for life. I hear you purring, Chewy. Don't think I don't. I hear you. Can you guys hear his purr? Hold on, let me hold him up to the microphone. I'm curious. I want to know. You can hear it? Oh my god. That's so cute. Oh my god. Oh god, that's so adorable. I love it. Oh my gosh, that makes me so happy that you guys can hear him. Aww. Yay. Happy berry. I know, Chewy. I know, buddy. I know. What's up, little man? Oh, careful. Okay. Good night, Daddy. Or good morning. Have a good day. Don't hurt yourself at the gym. Be sure to stretch, okay? Nah, nah, nah. Come on, Chewy. Here, come sit in my lap, little man. Yeah, you want pets? Yeah, you want some pets? Okay. You can have them. Just for you. Anybody else want some pets while I'm just giving them out for free? Whoops. Careful. Come here, Zora. You can have pets too. Free pets and free cookies. Just get in the back of my van. Okay. Get in the back. Get in the back. And completely ignore the zip ties and duct tape. They're not for you. Okay. 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 Hey yo. Hey yo. Spider-Man, Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Get out of here. Go. Go. Get. Go on, get. This is nice, you guys. Are you guys having a nice time? Because I'm having a nice time. I feel like we should do more like late night streams. They're very like chill. It could just be me. But I feel like I have a much more chill vibe when we're doing a late night stream. Got that ASMR voice going. Because I'm tired. And I'm relaxed. Yeah, late night talks are the best. Heck yeah, vibe, Fluffy. We can vibe together. Let's go, let's go. Vibe, vibe. Yeah. Alright guys, on that note, I think I'm actually tired enough to go to bed now. I'm in a much better mood. Thanks to you guys, of course. And I'm definitely gonna do this again sometime very soon. Let me just pop this up here real quick. Oh, over my face. Not over my face. Not over my face. There we go. Right up there. Up there's good. There we go. Yay. Alright, you guys. I should be on at some point tomorrow. Not sure exactly when I'm gonna be on. I've got some adulting, boring, nasty, gross adulting things to do tomorrow. But in all seriousness, thank you guys for coming. I couldn't do any of this without you guys. You guys make me so happy, and I really, really hope that I give you guys at least a little bit of happiness back in return. So yeah, thank you all for coming. It was great to meet some of you guys who I haven't seen before, and the rest of you guys, I will see you guys later. Let's find someone to raid real quick. Let's go raid Shiro for a minute. All right, you guys. I love you all. Everybody have a good night. Please get some rest, and if it's daytime for you, then have a good day. I love you guys. Mwah.